So hello my dear students. Today I am going to tell you how you can upload an assignment given to you. So this is the assignment. Suppose this is the assignment. Click on it. I am going to student view to check what the assignment is. So this is your assignment. Write a note on different type of web browsers like that, and there's a page, word page attached to it. So first method is, if you have to write something, you have to click on this edit document button. There are two options: edit, make quick changes right here using the using Word, or open in desktop app. So if you want to make quick changes, you just click on this button. A Word document will open with all the options and you can type here. You can insert images also, or you can edit this also, or if you want you can copy and paste images also after typing, and you can use all these options for formatting and all. Now since we are viewing it on teachers mode, let us see how it looks like in students mode, or how you have to submit it after either typing or creating a PDF file or a JPG file. Now see, this is the assignment, the assignment page where all the assignments appear. Then you have to go to this assignment option, class 6B. You have to choose your class and then you have to click on the next button. Then all the assignments will appear. So you have to choose the assignment which you want to upload. You can, as you can see here, a page is there, uses of internet, and there is an attachment button, add work button is there. So first option is, as I have shown you, you can open this Word document and you can type on that. Second option is, you can create a PDF or another Word document or any other document or a JPG or image file, and you can add it here. How we can add? You have to click on add work. You have to choose upload from this device. This option you have to choose. Then a window will appear. You have to choose your particular file, the Word file or the image file, and then you will click on open. You will click on this and it will start uploading. Here has started uploading. Then you can see here it has been uploaded, internet and its users. Then there is a turn in button. Here there is a turn in button. You have to click on this turn in button after adding your attachment. You can attach more files. You can attach up to 10 files here. So after adding all the files or all the images, you just have to click on the turn in button. Before clicking the turn in button, you can check your document also. You can open the document and check whether it is attached properly or not. So this is the document which you have attached, and I believe it is attached properly. So we will click on this close button, and after clicking the close button, you have to click on the turn in button. Here the turn in button is there and you have to click on this turn in button to submit your assignment. You have attached your document. Now for submission you have to click on this turn in button. As soon as you turn in, um, some symbol appears, and if you want that you have wrongly added something or you have missed something, you just have to click on this undo turn in button. It will automatically um, be withdrawn from the submission list, and then you can attach more files or edit your document, and then again you have to click the turn in button. Like here, undo turn in, and then you can this working on unlocking, and then if you want you can again turn in this button. So this was about how you can submit your document. Those who are working on or operating from their mobile devices, for them a small clip for them also. So you have to go to assignments, you have to choose the particular assignment. This is the assignment. So this is the assignment you want to upload, subject enrichment computer term 1. Now you have to click on it. The same page, the word pages appears, and below that add work option is there. So you can open this web browser, this Word document, and type on that, or you can add work. You can attach a file, like you can attach a Word document already created. You can add images to it, like that you can add on your mobile phones. And then there is a hand in button. After adding work or typing on this, you can click on this. You have to click on this hand in button so that your assignment gets submitted. When you click on add attachment button, add file button, these options will appear, and you have to click on upload from this device. After clicking on this upload from this device, you will see some options, browsing options, the location of your particular file. You have to choose your particular file, whether it is a JPG file or a Word file or a PDF file. You have to choose that particular file. And then when you click on that, it gets attached. You can attach as many as 10 files, and then you have to click on this hand in button, and your file, if you want to remove it, you can remove it also, and in this way your file gets submitted. So student, this was all about submitting an assignment in MS Teams. I hope you have understood it, all the steps. Thank you students.